Hi, children. Love you. I'm going to tell you the story about Juliana. Juliana was a little girl. And like all little girls, you have your favorite food, no? Sometimes you like cakes, sometimes you like muffins. But do you know what Juliana loved the most? She loved lollies. Lollipops, lollies, ice lollies. This was her favorite food. So always there was a stock of lollies in the house. And every meal her mama gave, Juliana would say, "No, I want my lollies. No, I want my lollies." And she kept on eating lollies. But then what happened to Juliana? Her skin started becoming very pale because lollies don't give you vitamins, they don't give you energy, they don't give you strength. So lollies don't do good for you. So Juliana's skin started turning very pale and her teeth started turning yellow. Then her eyes started looking very dull. Then Juliana's mama said, "What is this? Juliana is getting weaker and weaker. So I need to do something about this." So her mama packed all the lollipops from the fridge into a big garbage bag, went and threw the garbage out of the house. And the garbage truck came, chada 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 chada, and took the garbage and put it inside the truck and went away. So that evening, when Juliana came back from school, she said, "Mama, I want my lolly." Her mama said, "No, Juliana, you have had enough lollies. It's not doing you good. So come on, sit down and eat these fruits now." Juliana looked at her plate. She said, "No, Mama, I want my lolly. I can't eat these fruits." Her mama said, "No, no, Juliana, you shall eat what is given to you. You should not eat junk food. You should eat good and healthy food." Juliana said, "No, oh, no, I want my lolly." Her mama said, "No, that's not a good thing to do. You can't have lollies. If you want, eat the fruits. Otherwise, you can go to play." So Juliana got up, cried for some time, then wiped her eyes and said, "Okay, I'm going to play." And she skipped and skipped and jogged and jogged and jogged and went to play. Then she came back for dinner. And her mama had made spinach and pasta for dinner. So when her mama gave her the dinner, did Juliana eat? She said, "No, I want my lolly." Ooh. Her mama said, "No lollies, you can eat this, otherwise go to bed hungry." So Juliana did not eat her food. She went and lay in the bed. Then she thought, "What can I do?" And she went off to sleep because she was really tired. Next day morning when she came down, her mama gave her some Cheerios and milk. Juliana had a few sips because her stomach was rumbling. So she had a few sips and she said, "Mama, can I have my lolly?" Mama said, "No, I told you the lollies are all gone. I threw them into the garbage bin and the garbage man has taken it away. So no more lollies for you. Till you learn to eat healthy food, then once in a while I'll get you a treat. But not otherwise." So Juliana went to school. And in school, you cannot make a fuss about eating because everybody are eating healthy food. So Juliana ate the food and came back home. Her mama had again kept fruits for her. She said, "No, I will not eat this." Her mama said, "Okay, never mind, go to play." So Juliana went skipping and jogging and running and dunding and she came back home. Then her mama had made palak paneer with rice for dinner. Everybody sat at the table. Juliana asked her mama, "What is this?" Her mama said, "That's palak paneer with some nice ghee rice." She said, "No, I won't eat this." "No, I will not eat this." So her mama said, "If you want to eat, you eat, Juliana. Otherwise, no problem. Go to sleep hungry. You should learn to eat what is served on your plate. You cannot make demands. Look, Dada's eating it, Mama's eating it. So why should you not eat it? You eat this first. But Juliana did not eat the palak paneer. She pushed her plate and the plate fell off the table and the rice fell on the floor and made a big mess. Her mama got very angry with her and she said, "Come on, Juliana, this is not what you should do. That's not a good thing to do. Pick up your plate and put it in the sink. You made a big mess on the floor now." Juliana, her mama said, "No crying. You should learn to eat what is given to you." So Juliana went to bed very hungry. Her mama cleaned up the kitchen, washed the dishes, and went upstairs and went to sleep. But was Juliana able to sleep? No, because her stomach was empty. Her stomach was rumbling. So Juliana got up and said, "Oh, my stomach is rumbling. I want a tucker for my rumbling tummy. I want a tucker for my rumbling tummy. I want a little tucker for my rumbling tummy. Rumble, 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 gum." And she came into the kitchen. And she looked at all the things. But there was nothing to eat there. She went and opened the fridge very gently because her mama will get up, no? So she opened this fridge and looked into it. There was nothing to eat. Then she looked and she saw a few morsels of palak paneer rice was on the floor. So she bent down, put out her tongue, and licked up that little rice. And it was yummy, yummy, yum. Just then her mama came and switched on the light in the kitchen and asked, "Hey, Juliana, what are you doing on the floor?" Juliana said, "Mama, my stomach is rumbling. I want a little tucker for my rumbling tummy. I want a little tucker for my rumbling tummy." Her mama said, "See, I told you, you have to eat what is given to you. Anyway, sit on the table." And her mama ran and went into the garage, opened the freezer in the garage, brought out the rice, brought out the palak paneer, heated it up in the stove and gave it to Juliana. Juliana ate it. Very tasty, lovely food, and Juliana was so full. So her mama told her, "This will teach you a lesson, Juliana. Here afterwards you need to eat what is given to you. You cannot waste food. And you can have lollies once in a while. I'll buy you a treat of lollies. Is that fine?" Juliana said, "Yes, Mama, I learnt my lesson." And Juliana slept soundly. From that day, whatever was given to Juliana, she ate. She never made a fuss. If she didn't like some food once in a while, she would tell her mama, "Mama, I'm not so happy with this food." Then her mama would give her something else. But most of the times she ate what was given to her. So her mama was also very happy. And Juliana was also very happy. So whenever they went out, once in a while, her mama would give Juliana a lolly as a treat. And Juliana was very happy, danced every day, and her face became bright like the sun. And she was always smiling.